Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will learn about the update operators. So what are the different types of operators available in the update method? Let's try to see in this video. So before continuing to learn about these update operators available, first let's recap about the update method, how we will be using that one. So we will be having just like for insert method, how we will be having insert1 and insertMany. In the same scenario, for the update MongoD in the document updation also, we'll be having two methods. Those are nothing but updateOne and updateMany. Update1 is used to update only the single record, whereas the updateMany is used to update the multiple documents. So let's try to see the real-time behavior of this one. For example, let's say that I am having a db.users.find. Okay, so let's try to make it as a pretty. So this is the list of documents we are having in the users collection. If you try to observe here, in this document we are having an ID, name, hobbies, and also an age. Now if I want to update the name of this particular user, okay, I can copy this one, and here I will be using db.users.find, and we'll try to do ID. So I will try to paste this ID here. This is the ID. Let's try to press enter, and here I'm able to get the book user details of this person 1. Now I want to update this name of this person to the person 1. So now we know that for this ID we are having only one document. So we can use, if we are sure, means we can use something like db.users.updateOne. We can also use the updateMany also, but we are sure that with that ID we are only having only one document. Because of that reason, I am using the updateOne. So in the updateOne method, the first one comes is the filter one. So that is nothing but what is the filter you want to you will be providing in the find method. The same conditions we will be providing it in the first one in the updateOne method also. So here I want to get this updateOne here. So this object ID, and the second one is the details which we want to update. So we will be using a $set as we already discussed in our previous. So $set, and we will be using the object, and here you will be giving the all the fields which are the fields you want to update it. So if you mention the field something like name as Leela, okay, so that means for this ID of object it will try to search if a name field is present in the document or not. Yes, if it is present means then it will try to update the value that we have given. So it will replace the person 1 with Leela. Or suppose if the name is not present. So for example, let's say that I want to provide something like occupation. Okay, so occupation, okay, engineer. Let's try to make it as this one. So now if you try to see here, the name is the key which is present in this document. So it will try to update this one, and occupation is the key which is not present in this one. Now what it will try to do is, it will try to create this field in this document. So if I try to press enter, so here you'll be able to see, yes, so query has been successfully executed, and the matched records, matched documents, we got it 1, and that matched documents, so it's modified is 1. So we are able to successfully get these details. So updateOne, so $set, it will try to update the existing fields if available, or otherwise it will add those fields which are not available. So now if you try to see the same thing, db.find here with this one. So let's try to make it as a pretty so that you will be able to understand it. Now here you'll be able to see the name has been updated to Leela, and also new occupation has also been added. Why? Because occupation is not present, so it has been added as a new thing. So this is about the updateOne. Now for example, let's say that I want to update all the users. So for example, let's say that I want to find, let's try to take find.pretty. So I want to update all the persons, okay, all the users with the occupation. So with the occupation as engineer. So if I want to update all those guys means, so what I can do here, so I can update or otherwise what I can say is, whoever is having an age of 30, I want to update the occupation to software engineer. So what can I do here? So I can use db.users.update. This time we should not use the update one. we need to use the update many. So we have already discussed, right? Update many. Now we need to give the condition. So whose age is equal to 30, or otherwise you can give like this. And if you try to and let's try to do the find thing, so whether we are able to get the results or not. So now if I try to see here, we are able to get an age. Now if I try to say, oh sorry, so now here I can change it to update many, and here I need to apply something like $set. So here I will try to update occupation of type engineer. So let's try to update all the users who are having the age up to 30 with an engineer. So now if I try to press enter, so now we are able to get matched records or matched documents are 4, and the modified record documents is also 4. Now if you try to see db.users.find.pretty, let's try to check. Okay, if I try to check here, all the documents are having an occupation of engineer. So this is how we will be updating the multiple documents using the update many. So you can use update many in the place of update one, and update one in the place of update many also. But you need to understand that if you are sure that the records are only one, means you can use the update one. There also you can use the update many without any problem. So that does not create any problem. Okay. So this is the basic introduction of this update thing. So in the next video onwards, you'll try to see what are some of the options or operators that are available in the update, and how we can use the different types of operators for updating the records. Let's try to see it from the next video onwards. Hope you understood about this update one and update many, the difference between those two, and how to update the documents in a collection. We have seen it using the filter condition and also the data. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.